Now the Islamist publisher Maktabatul Madina's published renowned booklet of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatuhum Al-Aliyah, a brief biography of Imam Ahmad Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, consisting of 16 pages, states on page 2 the birth name of Ala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi is Muhammad. His grandfather called him Ahmad Raza and he became famous with the same name.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।